Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with New Leaf, and today I'm tackling this mess. So a lot of you that follow me, also follow me over on my Tappingflamingo, aka the Bohemian Hippie YouTube channel, and over there I make jewelry and I show you how to do it. For a number of years I have been storing my beads in these clear containers and they have worked. But lately I've been getting so many more beads that it's actually not working anymore. And so I actually have something coming in the mail today. I'm hoping it's going to work. That's going to make this not look so much like a junk mess. I'm kind of tired of the junk mess. Here's kind of a closer look at some of my beads and findings. It's like, these are all my white beads. I've got all my pink beads, my purple beads. You know, I think you get the drift there. And also, this is kind of a challenge that I have been given by, not me personally, but a YouTuber that I follow, Patera from Appalachian Homestead. She has issued a challenge for us to try to do something for like 30 minutes every day that you wouldn't normally do every day. And today, as soon as my package comes, cross fingers it's really coming, I'm going to be tackling this. So it's almost 2 o'clock and our mail hasn't come yet. At least I haven't got notification. Usually it comes a lot earlier than this. I'm really excited to get that package. No, it hadn't come yet. Patience. Finally, at about 4:30, it came. And I also got some wire that I've been waiting on, and I'm excited to start making something with that. I actually have an order that I need to get to that needs that. But first things first, I want to get these little things out and see if it's going to work. There are those little fold up cubes. And I'm just planning on getting plastic bags, like Ziploc baggies, and putting the different colored beads or the different types of beads, putting them in the bags, and then just stacking them up in there. And I think it's going to work. And it's going to look a lot nicer, too. If you're interested in what is actually in these bags, I'll leave a link down in the description box below to that video. And stay tuned for the ongoing declutter of my craft room. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with New Leaf, signing out for now. Bye-bye.